You're watching three of the most popular sports in Wales today: judo, aikido, and the deadly art of karate. It's become increasingly popular among school children, and the man who teaches them in this Cardiff club is Mr. Stanley Griffiths.
How do you?
Mr. Griffiths, what is the difference between these three sports?
Well, Aikido is purely self-defense, judo is basically a sport, and karate is a method of open hand or empty hand fighting.
Is karate really as dangerous as people say? Can you break wood in half with one blow?
Oh yes, but this is not really the beginning stage. It's mainly with the black belts, where they start studying this method of control of the mind, body, etc. And tiles, they pattern, generally.
Do you really think it's wise in these days of violence to teach school children such dangerous things as this?
Oh yes, but they do teach children self-control. It's one of those things where they don't have to go out and fight, to prove they think they can beat somebody. Once they know the art of self-defense, judo, aikido, or karate, then they are content to practice it in the club.
Why do you think they want to learn these sports?
Well, it starts off basically of self-defense, but after a couple of months within the club, they just enjoy doing karate, judo, or aikido.
How old are your pupils?
We have them from 4 years of age, general age 7 upwards, but we have them at 4.
Are the parents interested as well?
Oh yes, we have them up to 60 years of age.
How about the ladies?
Yes, we have a very large ladies section in Aikido. Aikido, as I said before, purely self-defense. And as self-defense, it's much more powerful technique and more graceful than judo.
And which of the three is most popular?
Aikido today.
Mr. Griffiths, thank you very much. Well, let's find out what the youngsters are really getting out of this. What's your name?
Alan Whiffin.
How long have you been learning here?
Nearly 4 years.
And what are you learning?
Judo, Aikido and Karate.
All three?
Yes.
Why did you learn these?
Well, I first took up Judo 4 years ago, and when I got a bit advanced in it, I was allowed to take up Aikido and Karate as self-defense.
Don't you find that your colleagues in school are a bit afraid of you?
No, well, most of them don't know about it, only my friends. I only tell my friends.
Alan, thank you very much. Well, let's give this noble art of self-defense a fair trial. Mike here weighs 8 stone, and he's 15 years old. I weigh 12 and a half stone, and I'm not telling you how old I am.